I don't know, I might actually mess the camera up by doing this. Is this thing on? I can't see the red light. Oh, it is on, okay. Well, hey, welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Yeah, so check this out. This is gonna be unique. You're actually gonna be watching this video here in probably the next hour, we'll say. I'm skipping over a bunch of stuff. We built the powder coating oven. It's got filters, it's got a fan, big 10 CFM fan, and it goes right outside. I'm actually editing that video, as well as I think another video, but at least that video. But I kind of wanted to jump ahead. This is the morning of the day this video goes live, so Monday. And I just got off the phone for the second time with Eastwood Company, and I just kind of wanted to go over an update with the HotCoat PCS 1000. I did the unboxing video, it went live yesterday, and we were talking about it, but I really kind of wanted to get into a live situation with it. As you can tell with the powder that's in there, we went ahead and tried it out. Problem is it's not grounding correctly. Now, I know a lot of people may say, well, you need an earth ground, you need this, you need that. Before you jump too far ahead to think that, I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and open this garage door real quick. So an earth ground is usually a 8 to 10 foot copper rod. Sometimes it could be another kind of metal, but usually copper because it's very conductive and it's pounded straight into the ground. And then there's a little bit left and you attach your wire to it. It looks something like that. You see how this rod, this grounding wire that's supposed to be grounded right there, which is connected directly to an earth ground. And to even go further, I went ahead and took this wire off and it was a dedicated earth ground. So in other words, no other wire was hooked to it. Now this just goes up right here. Goes right in the building, comes out right here. You can see it, it's painted, goes right up in here, and that's this big wire right here. So when I originally hooked up the machine, I originally hooked it up to right here. Okay, came in through the side of the box, just tapped into it right there, very easy, because it's directly there, and it wasn't working well. As a matter of fact, let's see if we can recreate what can happen. I don't know, I might actually mess the camera up by doing this because you can actually hear and feel the electricity in my body when I hold this gun and pull this trigger. Oh yeah, the volts are down. Let me turn it up just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now it's turned up. I don't know if you can hear that, but the static cling on my shirt. Watch. See how it's clinging to me? Yeah, it does that. It's not grounding out. It's running the electricity right like through me, kind of around me type thing. This actually happened yesterday, and I called Eastwood, and Eastwood's customer service is open every day, but their tech support isn't. So I had to wait until 8:30 Eastern Standard Time this morning to go ahead and give them a call, which you already know. I'm up early, as most of you may know. It's kind of up extra early today because this is really frustrating. I took on extra jobs. I took on jobs that I normally wouldn't have taken on, and more jobs than I would have taken on because I had this new system. Now, when I first called this morning, the lady, her name is Kelly, very nice, in tech support says, hey, here's the problem. We don't have any training on this new product. I said, what? They put out a product and a tech support, not customer service, tech support. Does not even know how to give the tech support. I told her I felt for her. I also told her that I was very frustrated that a company as well known as Eastwood would turn around and put out a product and not actually make it so their tech support can actually give tech support. I told her that was really frustrating to me. She says, well, I'll have to call you back and talk to the product manager. And I said, well, here's the thing. I have jobs that were supposed to be done yesterday and today and tomorrow. And right now I'm already behind. So I don't have time to play phone calls back and forth. This is very frustrating. She assured me that she would do everything that she could. And I explained it to her. Hey, I did everything exactly to the diagram. When I felt that the earth ground could have not been strong enough, I went directly to an earth ground. Like, nobody should have to buy this product and get a $120, $130 copper rod, 8 foot long copper rod, and pound it into the ground to make the machine work. If they do, Eastwood should tell the people that they need to, but here's the thing. Even with that, it's not working. So I believe that there just could be an issue with the machine. Now, I'm gonna be straight up because that's the way I like to shoot. This is the first review of the gun on on YouTube that I've seen, and I've watched all the PCS 1000 reviews and videos, even all the ones Eastwood put out. And this is the first review that I've seen that somebody mentioned an issue, and it's the first review that I've seen that somebody actually paid for the product. All these other reviews were people that were sent the product from Eastwood. Now, I'm not saying that you don't believe them because Eastwood sent it to them for free. I'm just saying if Eastwood sent it to them for free and they were having some issues and they called the phone number of the person, the rep that they needed to get in contact with at Eastwood, and they figured it out, they're not gonna necessarily tell you that. They're gonna be like, yeah, we just called Eastwood and got it figured out. But it wasn't that easy. I didn't call Eastwood and get it figured out. Eastwood is sending me out a new machine today. She's taking a lock off of it, basically. They're not supposed to send it out till they get the new one back. But they're gonna go ahead and make it so they can send it, and then they're actually sending me a shipping label that's already prepaid as well, so I can go ahead and send this machine back so they can go ahead and test it and look at some things and see what the issue could be, because we're figuring that it's just an issue with this particular machine. I've done everything that I'm supposed to do. To be completely honest with you, I'm stressed to the max because I don't like saying I'm gonna have something done in a certain time and then it not being done. Fair enough. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what's going on. I don't feel that Eastwood's a bad company. I don't want this video to feel that I'm bashing Eastwood, okay? What I want this video to be is just keeping you all updated on what's going on, because I know a lot of people are interested in getting this machine. And basically, if I find something with the machine that should be done to make it easier for you, that's kind of what I want to document. And, you know, document my process, how well they're taking care of their customers, you know, and how well they're standing behind this product. They make a big deal about how they're standing behind it, but to me, not having your tech support ready for tech support, not really standing behind it. So that is kind of a little fault there, Eastwood. At least that's the way I feel. I have a company. I know everything's not perfect. I know you cannot satisfy every customer every time. I'm not trying to be that customer. I also know that when you're a company like Eastwood, or when somebody's buying a product like this that's $1,000, that they don't want to have a hassle of it not working. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you like Honda builds, you like other car builds, you like powder coating videos, go ahead and smash the subscribe button right now. If you haven't done it, do it now. I'm gonna wait one more second. Okay. If this video gave you any value, or if you want to help it with the YouTube algorithm so other people can find the video, and if this video had good information, give it a like. The more likes, the more people will see it. So if you smash the like button, it may be able to get in front of somebody who needs to see this. Anyway, we do appreciate your support. The link to the website is down in the description, and same with our social media links. You can follow us there to keep up to date with what's going on and to have a first-hand look into what comes up first and what comes up new. Thanks for checking out the video. This is Weed's Garage. I'm T.O. Weedman. Yeah.